So hello guys and welcome to my new video of how to make a static messaging app. It was commented to me by a user in the chat box, so I'm making it. So first it is saying to verify itself, so I would write the password. 1234 is the password that I have chosen right now. So if I write anything like hi, so the AI will reply hello, how are you. Okay, so the rest may come like this. You may also remove this by making the change in the coding, which I would also tell you how to do. So now I would write I am good. So I send this. I'm That's great. So it replied me with that's great, how's your day. So I write it was nice. Okay, so I've written it was nice, that's cool. So the reply that the AI gave me is that's cool. And you may also copy this message, you can also copy this. Okay, okay. So so when I say bye, okay, bye, so bye, have a nice day, and I have a nice day ahead. Okay, so this was my coding. So now I would tell you how to make such an app. Okay, so first I would go to my projects and click start a new project. I choose the title as static messaging app. Okay, messaging messaging app messaging app. Okay, so it would the project would open in some few seconds. Okay, so it has opened. So first thing that I would add is vertical arrangement. Okay, make this as center is to 3, make its height as fill parent, and width also as fill parent. So now I would now make a label. Okay, label, and make its font size as 25. Okay, 25. So now I would write please verify yourself. Okay, so I would please verify yourself. And in screen 1 you have to disable title visible. Okay. Now you would have to add a password text box here and a button. Make this width as fill parent, and text alignment is center. Okay, and make this as is text will be continue. Okay, continue. Enter. So the text is continue, and would increase its size to around 20%. 20. Okay. Uh, I would also add a label to space between them. And would remove all the text. So this creates a space between them. Okay, now I would disable this and add a vertical arrangement layout. Make its height as fill parent, and width also as fill parent. Now in block section, I would first code for the password text box. So first I would initialize global name password. Sorry, password to 1 2 3 4. You may enter any password. Okay. Okay, now I would click select when button 1 dot click when button 1 dot click. Now I would add if and also add an else. Okay, else if first I would make equal to sign. If password text box 1 dot text, okay, dot text is equals to get global password, then set vertical arrangement 1 dot visible. We have to make them visible, so I am making it as visible, and this would be false, and this would be true. And insert them here, and in else I would first make it invisible. In here I would I would make vertical arrangement 1 as visible and add a label. Okay, label. The text would be incorrect password. Incorrect. Okay. Right. Incorrect password. Oh. And now I would make its text color as red, and for font bold, and its font size as 20, and make this as invisible. Else set label 2 dot visible to true. Okay, so now I would tell you how this would work. Yeah, so if I write 1 or 2, it would show incorrect password. 1 so when I write 1 2 3 4, it would currently show me a blank screen because I have not coded for this part. Okay, so now I would make this invisible and vertical arrangement 2 as visible. Okay, so now what I have to add here is I have to add a text box, a button, and another label and another label. Okay, make this as height as at least 20%, width make it as fill parent, and the hint would be type a message. Okay, and now the text for button 2 will firstly I will make align horizontal as center is to 3. Okay, so here first I would enter send. Okay, send. The text for label 3 would be reply from AI, that is artificial intelligence, and would make its font size as around 25. Okay, and make this also as 25, and also remove all its text. Okay, and make its font size as also 15. I would make it as 15. Okay, 15. So now we are all set, and now we have to make a list. So what you enter is what the AI would reply. For this, firstly I would initialize a global variable, and I would make its name as reply list. So I have already typed my reply list in my earlier test version that I showed to you before. So I would be attaching its AIA file, so you may just open it in Mit App Inventor, and this reply list would be visible to you. Currently I am not rewriting it and just putting in my backpack, and would just paste it here. Okay, this has my reply list, global variable reply list. Okay, so now we also have a reply, like if you write hi, it would change the text to hello, how are you. So I have made everything here. Okay, so now I would tell you how to replace the text. Okay, रिफ्रेश हो गया यार। किस्मत ही खराब है यार। Okay, so now I have already written the code for how to replace the text. So I would be telling you in short. So when button 2 dot click, okay. So when button 2 dot click, and for each item in text in list, for each item you would find it here. For each item in list, and the list is get global reply list, okay. Get global reply list, set label 3, no, set label 4, as currently we are on label 4. So set label 4 dot text, okay. So set label 4 dot text, because label 4 is our reply. Here replace all text, okay. Replace all text, and the text is from textbox1 dot text, textbox1 dot text, okay. Text, and now we would go to list, and we would pick select, okay. Select is select, okay. So I cannot find it, so I would just write select list item, okay. So it would be visible, and the list is get item. Just duplicate it here and paste it there. Get item. Our index is you would find it in maths. Make this as 1, okay. 1. Now here we would write look up in pairs key, in pairs, look up in pairs, okay. So first we just copy it and paste it, and the second would be get global reply list, and if not found, then not found, okay. So currently it's not there, so I would just remove it and just okay. So the last thing is set textbox1 dot text, set textbox1 dot text to label 4 dot text, okay. Label 4. Okay, so here I would make it as this and just delete this. So now I would when screen1 dot initialized, so this is very important code, okay. One very important code. So now I would write when screen1 dot initialize, okay. When screen1 is initialized, so first thing we want is that vertical arrangement 1 is visible and 2 is not visible, and okay. So that I am doing right now. So set it to true, okay. The next thing that we want is that we don't want the previous chat data to be loaded into the reply from AI. So set, so that would be set label 4 dot text to this, and now the code is ready. So now I would show you the whole demo of this also again. So just refresh companion screen, and I'm not prioritizing any software for using web development, but currently I have Nox, so I'm using Nox. Wait a minute, I'll just reset the connection and also close this. Wait a minute, just remove this from here also, so it gets reset, because my Meta AI2 companion got stuck in between, so I have to refresh it. That refreshed the whole connection. So I would now connect a AI companion. BMSPTH is our code. BMSPTH. Okay. BMSPTH. So I would show you the whole demo. It would take time to get loaded. Here you would get to see the progress of how much it is loaded, and in some time it will be loaded into this also. So now I would show you the demo in Nox. Okay, so when it would only accept correct responses. So if I write 1 or 2, that is not the password, it would show me incorrect password. So now I would have to write the correct password to access it. So I wrote 1 2 3 4. Now I would just send a little message, like a text of message like hi. So it showed me hello, how are you. So I would just remove this and then type another message, that is I am good. It was good. I am good. So that's great. So it asked me a question, how was your day? So I would just write it was bad. Okay, so I would just no, I would write it was good. Okay, I will not show you the negative side of this. So it would reply, that's great. So if I write it was bad, okay, so it would understand it. That's sad. So it gave me a suggestion that do meditation. It would help. It helps making your day better. So I've coded like this that it makes such message. So you can also add your message in this. That I will also show you how you can add your message. Okay, when I attach the AIA file with in the description box. So now I would show you when I write bye. Okay, so bye, have a nice day ahead. So it showed me bye, have a nice day ahead. So you could add your messages by just adding an item in this. Okay, you have to just add an item like control CV, and an item would be added here, and then you would have to copy paste this, duplicate, and here you could write what you have to write. Okay, so what you write, and this is what the computer will reply. So thanks everyone for watching my video. I've already showed you the demo, and thanks for viewing it. Like, share and subscribe this video if you like this idea. This is a nice idea by talking with AI, so you can share your personal thoughts with it. Okay, by thanks, take care, and bye. So thank you for watching it. Like, share and subscribe. I would attach the AIA file with my in my description box. You may download it and you could view. You could make your own app by going to ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. So it would show you a page that would say log in with Google. So you have to choose a Google account and you would be logged in. Then you have to go to my projects. It would open my projects. You have to go start a new project. No, you have to just click at my projects and import AIA from my computer, and you have to browse the file location where my file is, and then you will be able to open it. You may also add your message here, okay, by just doing a simple code. So thanks for watching my video. Bye.